Flip the unit over and remove 6 6mm screws and 2 8mm screws from the bottom cover. Flip the unit back over, open it up, and gently insert the opener pick between the palmrest and the bottom cover. Slide along the edges to pop the palmrest free. Lay the palmrest down. Peel back the tape. And unplug the battery from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the palmrest cable from the motherboard. Remove 6 3mm screws from the motherboard and 1 1.5mm screw from the Wi-Fi bracket. Remove the brackets. And remove 1 2.5mm screw from the Wi-Fi card. Peel back the tape and unplug the camera cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape and unplug the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clips, and unplug the daughterboard cables from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Peel back the tape to get the speaker cables free from the motherboard, and gently unplug. Lift up the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Slide the motherboard back into place, and make sure everything's out from underneath it. Plug the speakers back into the motherboard. And replace them underneath the tape. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Plug the daughter board cables back into the motherboard. Plug the Wi-Fi card back into the motherboard. And plug the camera cable back into the motherboard. Replace one 2.5mm screw back into the Wi-Fi card. Replace the metal bracket, and replace the 6 3mm screws and one 1.5mm screw. The easiest way to plug the Palmrest cable back into the motherboard might be to flip the Palmrest over and plug it in from underneath. Then flip the Palmrest back, and plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. And lastly, plug the battery back into the motherboard. Lay the Palmrest back into place and push down to secure it. Close the unit, flip it back over, and replace the 6 6mm screws and 2 8mm screws.